Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create monthly recurring payments on your Best Buy account. So let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is choose between our deferred interest plans, which you pay no interest if it is paid in full before the promotion ends. And this is typically 12, 18 or 24 months, or a reduced rate plan with a fixed monthly payment at a lower APR like 7.99 or roughly more or less around there. Minimum monthly payments are mandatory, so paying only the minimum may trigger highest interests charged after the promotional period. For example, a $1,500 laptop on a 24-month plan requires $60 to $50 per month, more or less, to stay interest-free. The progressive leasing. So the lease to own is a flexible weekly, bi-weekly or monthly payment option with no credit needed. Affirm and Klarna will allow you to buy now, pay later with split or monthly installments, and this is having credit approval required. Some of the things that you need to understand in terms of avoiding any unexpected charges. So pay off your promotional balance early. Complete your payment before the promotional term ends to avoid any retroactive interest charges on the entire original purchase amount. You can call their support line with questions about any payments, accounts management, or anything else that you'd like. And then always check your APR, your promotional period length, and payment requirements before committing to any financial plan with Best Buy. I hope this was helpful.